Hey there. So it's getting a little stir crazy. Right now I'm puppy sitting, so I'm finding myself a little challenged, which is good. So I took apart my 262 last night. This is the first saw that I actually ever even had a top end off of on, not even to port, just to look at it and see how it worked. Still learning. I mean, I'm totally new to this, but I did end up going back into this one and porting it. I've run ported saws. I really like how they run, and I've watched a lot of other guys doing it on YouTube, like Iron Horse and all of them. So I wanted to give it a try, and every time I go into a saw and I come back out, I learn that I have a lot more to learn. But I got lucky on this, or I kind of got lucky on this one. It runs pretty good. I had it apart last night. I was cleaning up some of the air intake block because I used that moto seal because the gaskets are kind of old, so I didn't want any air leaks. And I also fixed up a muffler leak that it had by making my own cardboard gasket. Definitely is a little peppier, and before I was still really impressed. I was stoked. I was like, okay, this is actually a thing I can do. The saw definitely runs better, so it's a start. Yeah, I gave it a little muffler mod. I don't know if you can see that, but I gave it a little fish gill, hogged out the muffler a little bit. Yeah, I hogged out the transfers pretty big on this saw, and I did find little, yeah, right, that's what I was talking about. I found little globs of moto seal that were blocking the impulse line. Very slight, but I think it was enough. And I was always like thinking this really felt low compression even though it ran good. And I checked the ring in the cylinder and there's actually quite a big gap. So that's on the list of things to get, but it runs pretty good. Still playing around with the settings a little bit. I haven't really figured it back out. It's the first time I got a bar and chain back on it. Carburetor seems like it likes to be really far out. I don't know why that is. Oh, still playing with it.